Hey guys, this is Chrissy and Twiggy himself from the barn at Twiggy's. And today we are working on garland. Every year we usually do this. My dad is making a swag for above the door. We are using a couple pieces of material. We have white pine, boxwood,
English boxwood,
and
northern white cedar.
northern white cedar. Isn't this arborvitae too?
Yeah, that's what it is. That's the
Basically
Latin
the
name.
same thing. So what he's doing in here is he also took Rose of Sharon and he trimmed them down and he dipped them in white paint so it adds a little bit of pop of color. So what we're gonna do on this garland is once it's done, we're gonna add some berries and some pine cones. We have a large selection of pine cones.
This is sugar cones from Virginia. This is pine cones. These are no, these are from my front yard. It's off of
209.
yeah, but
No, from a pine tree.
I went to forestry college to learn what this cone is, and I still can't remember after 2 years.
Just tell them it's a pine cone. They don't need to know.
Okay, it's a pine cone.
They don't need to know the specifications of
Okay.
exactly how many
Okay.
layers this particular pine cone has.
There's no seeds in it to make a mess.
No seeds. So me and my dad's mission today is to get everything done so we can hang this garland inside. We're gonna do some of the boxes. We're gonna make a huge wreath to hang on the building in front of the green car. And then we're gonna do some garland for our friend's baby shower on Saturday for the tables. And we will show you what it looks like once we are all done. So stay tuned. So what I'm doing now is I'm taking insulation and they're like 8 by 10 sheets or 4 by 8 foot long insulation. They normally go with walls and stuff and we had extras. So what I'm doing is I am taking pine and I'm shoving it in there and this is what is going to go in our boxes out on our porch. So basically, I just knocked them all over. It's gonna look like this, and they're gonna sit in the boxes. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just going through and popping them in.
Hi,
Hi. Hi, this is Guy.
I'm Twiggy's senior,
Twiggy.
and this is what I'm doing for my daughter here. I put white pine on
Hold on,
first.
Dad. Hold on.
Cut.
Okay.
I put white
We go
pine
like
on
this.
first.
No, you gotta go. Hold on. Well, open your eyes, because when you do you notice when you talk, you go like this? I do pine and I do boxwood.
And I have white pine with my eyes open, and white cedar, and English boxwood.
Wait, hold on.
Come on in, Chris.
You can keep moving. Go ahead.